Department. We are here to welcome you all in the city of tenses. Let us first see what are tenses. Tense is a form of verb that tells us about the action taking place according to the time. That is whether the action is completed or it is going to happen or still it is going on. Today we are going to see small trains reaching at the stations and talking about it. Each station shows the types of tenses. So let's begin.
Hello friends, my name is Kavanjali Swasgorke. My station is simple present tense. The rule for simple present tense is base verbs. The examples are: the son rises in the east, they play badminton after school, he always drinks coffee in the morning.
Hello friends, my name is Rajni Rajput. My station is simple present tense. The rule of simple present tense is base verbs. Examples are: first, we walk to school every day; second, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius; third, the train leaves at 6 p.m.
Hello friends, my name is Sachivura Chudvanshi. My station is simple present tense. The rule of simple present tense is base verb. The examples are: Rina likes to bake cakes. Second example, the eagle flies very high in the sky. Third example, Rohan plays football every day.
Hello friends, my name is Meera Sheikh. My station is present continuous tense. The rule is or am or are plus ing form of the verb. For example, I am going to my uncle's house. We are playing drama tonight. Reena is washing utensils.
Hello friends, my name is Duva Anandankar. My station is present continuous tense. The rule is or am or plus ing form of the verb. For example, she is reading her book. I am working on my school project. They are playing football in the park.
Hello friends, my name is Sharon Sasane. My station is present perfect tense. The rule of present perfect is has or have plus past participle of the verb. For example, he has broken his leg. The company has drawn a lot this year. We have eaten dinner.
Hello friends, my name is Saira Mandrage. My station is present perfect tense. The rule is has or have plus past participle of the verb. Examples are: I have seen that movie 3 times. Second, my brother has lived in London since 2018. Third, they have just finished their work. Hello friends, my name is Shyam Chaudhary. My station is present perfect tense. The rule of present perfect tense is has or have plus been plus ing form the verb. Examples are: I have been waiting for you for over an hour. We have been planning for this project all night. We have been watching this series from 3 weeks. Hello friends, my name is Siddhi Chai. My station is present perfect continuous tense. The rule of present perfect continuous tense is has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb. The first example is: she is studying since 9 o'clock this morning. The second example is: she has been working on the project lately. The third example is: it has been raining all night. Hello friends, my name is Manushree Rajesh Kante. My station is simple past tense. The rule of simple past tense is past from of the verb. For example, first, she invited Roman last year. Second, he ate dinner with his family. Third, they went to the party. Hello friends, my name is Pandey. My station is simple past tense. The rule of the simple past tense past form of the verb. There are some examples. First example, the program waited in 10 p.m. Second example, they did their homework last night. Third example, that
accident to play yesterday.
Hello friends, my name is Ahmad Ali Akbar Kapadia. My station is simple past tense. The rule of simple past tense is the past participle of the verb. The examples of simple past tense are: first, she walked to the store yesterday. Second, he saw a movie last night. Third, I finished my homework an hour ago.
Hello friends, my name is Dinesh Fluid. My station is simple past tense. The rule for the simple past tense is past participle of the verb. The first example is it rained heavily yesterday. The second example is the teacher gave us a test on Monday. The third example is the dog slept all afternoon.
Hello friend, my name is Umir Irfan Mulani. My station is past continuous tense. The rule of past continuous tense is was well plus ing form of the verb. The examples are: I was studying when you called me. Second, she was reading a book. Third, they were playing cricket on the ground. Hello friends, my name is Tanvi Ashok Suthar. My station is past perfect. The rule of past perfect is had plus past participle of the verbs. Examples are: the plane had already left by the time which risk. Second, I had forgot my keys at home. I had packed my bag before mother came.
Hello friends, my name is Arvizado. My station is past perfect tense and rule is had plus past participles of the verb. For example, after I had finished my work, I went to the bed. Second, the program had finished on time. Third, we had completed our homework on time.
Hello friends, my name is Imad Singh Ramaraj. My station is past perfect continuous tense and the rule is had plus been plus ing form of the verb. The examples are: first, Alina had been arranging the flowers. Second, Santosh looked all-drenched because he had been playing. Third, Reena had been crying for an hour.
Hello friends, my name is Pranav Rajkumar Mankar. My station is past perfect continuous tense. The rule of past perfect continuous tense is had plus been plus ing form of the verb. The examples are: first, the officer asked them what they had been doing. Second, she had been working in the company for 10 years. The ground was wet since it had been raining.
Hello friends, my name is Pranali Shetty. My station is simple future tense. Example: the rule is will plus base verb. Examples are: it will rain heavily. Second, you will call me later. Third, my sister will bake a cake.
Hello friends, my name is Shakamari Arjun Khande. My station is simple future tense. The rule is will plus base verb. Some examples are: first, I will study to write. Second, he will eat pizza for lunch. Third, they will sing a song.
Hello friend, my name is Sufyan Nurunadaf. My station is simple future tense. The rule of simple future tense is will plus base verb. Some examples are there. First, I will eat dinner later. Second, she will call you tomorrow. Third, it will rain this afternoon.
Hello friends, my name is Himanshu Sonane. My station is simple future tense. Rule will plus base verb. Examples are: they will reach Mumbai tomorrow. I will dance at the party tomorrow. We will complete the homework. We will complete project on Monday.
Hello friends, my name is Ashish Singh. My station is future continuous tense. The rule is will, shall plus be plus ing form. Examples are:
She will be studying for her exam all night. Second example, we will be waiting for you. Third example, he will be working on his new project.
Hello friends, my name is Priyansha. My station name is future continuous tense. Rule is will, shall plus be plus ing form. Example is I will be going to the party tomorrow. Second example is I will be driving at 10 o'clock. Third example is I will be going to Mumbai tomorrow.
Hello friends, my name is Atanvi Jagugre and my station is future perfect tense. The rule is will plus have plus past participle. Some examples are: first, she will have finished her work by 7 p.m. Second, we will have eaten dinner before the movie starts. Third, he will retire next year.
Hello friends, my name is Samartha Kishore Kamte. My station is future perfect tense. Rule: will plus have plus past participle. There are some examples. First, I will have completed my assignment. Second, the train will have left to the station. Third, Suraj will have completed his course from 2014.
Hello friends, my name is Om Suresh Shinde. My station is future perfect continuous tense. Rule for future perfect continuous tense is will plus have plus been plus ing form. The examples are: first, Suraj will have been watering the plants. Second, Roma will have been learning music for 5 years next week. Third, next month they will have been living in Paris for 10 years.
Hello friends, my name is Swarab Swarskar. My station is future perfect continuous tense. The rule for future perfect continuous tense is will plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb. Examples of future perfect continuous tense is: Nana will have been reading for 4 hours. Second, by the time children will come, we will have been cleaning the house for 5 hours. He will have been eating for an hour in 5 minutes.
We hope that everyone has liked the tour of City of Tenses. Thank you.